Hi, I'm Victor from Gini, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with our new product, giniPredict. We're going to show you how to install the add-on, import data, run a forecast, run a scenario, then run a second scenario to compare. Let's get started. First, install giniPredict from the Google Workplace Marketplace. Then open a new Google Sheet and check your add-ons. You can start with a template, either an empty one or one with demo data. I'll use an empty template for this demonstration. Let's say I'm a hotel manager and I want to forecast my net profit. I've exported my P&L data from my Xero account into a Google Sheet. Now I just copy and paste it over like this. And I want to make sure that the columns are labeled with the correct months. This data goes back 3 years. I have 2 tables to name each variable, type and subtype, so I'll just fill that in here. Okay, now I'm ready to forecast. Go to giniPredict and select Net Profit. Now it asks me what other variables to include. In general, the more variables you include, the better, because it gives the models more data to learn from. However, you want to exclude things like totals to get a more granular view of how individual variables are impacting profit. All right, now run forecast. Here, the machine learning model is examining the patterns and correlations in the data, picking up seasonality trends. Done. The forecast has opened in a new tab. You can see the months here from November 2020 to October 2021. Let's see the chart. The forecasted values are in the orange in this row here and on the chart here. We've got our upper and lower bound. This represents a 95% confidence interval. Bear in mind that the further ahead in the future that you forecast, the less accurate it will be. As you can see, we have a peak in the Christmas, New Year holiday season here, and it dips again in June, July, August 2021. Over here, I can see what is impacting my net profit the most: revenue from deluxe rooms, and also the performance bonus expenses. Okay, let's do a scenario. Say I want to increase profit during the low period here, and I know performance-based bonuses have a big impact. What if I cap these at $90,000 for 3 months? Any values I change will be automatically highlighted. Let's go to the sidebar here and click Run Scenario. Done. I got my scenario change underneath the orange base forecast, and I have a new chart. The gray dotted line is the original base forecast to compare against. As you can see, it makes a big difference. But I know capping bonuses is not great for morale. So how about if we increase marketing spend instead? Let's increase it to $110,000 for 3 months. Run scenario. I got my scenario change underneath the orange base forecast labeled Scenario 2. The chart shows the impact of the new scenario with a gray dotted line for Scenario 1 and the original base forecast to compare against. And I can change which one the chart shows here. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Go ahead and try giniPredict for yourself. We hope that it'll make your life and your work easier. If you'd like a personal demo, please click this link to schedule something with one of our Gini staff. Thanks very much once again, and have a fantastic day.